Welcome, this is Kayla, and this week I'm offering a tool in the form of a guided meditation for us to practice reconnecting our body and mind. While learning about this concept is important, action is far more important. Today I would like to take you on a gentle and refreshing walk through the forest. Let's begin. I would like to invite you to find a relaxing position, whether that's laying down, sitting, or another position of your choosing. Now bring your attention inward and start by gently closing your eyes. As you begin to settle into your body, I invite you to take 3 deep breaths, and with each breath, let go of a little more of whatever might be weighing on you. Let's breathe together. Let's breathe in and out, and in and out. Last one, let's breathe in and out. As you settle into your body, you begin to notice that there are leaves under your feet. They crunch as you begin to walk slowly into the canopy of trees ahead of you. The smell of the dirt, the moss, and the fresh, cool air invigorates your body as you breathe it in. With each step you take, you begin to leave the world of your daily life behind you and become more and more free to enjoy what surrounds you. The forest welcomes you, and you are able to settle deeper and deeper into your body with each step you take. With the pine trees rising, you see the sun just barely breaking through the canopy. But as you continue to walk deeper into the forest, this slowly fades. As you continue walking, you notice a small stream and you begin to follow it. The further you walk, the broader it becomes. Eventually, it opens up and slowly flows into a peaceful pond engulfed by trees. The fresh air begins to smell more like moss, fresh water, and mud. As you listen closely, you can hear the gentle sounds of animals refreshing themselves in the cool, calm water. As you step closer to the pond, its relaxing presence invites you to put down the backpack you've carried here. This backpack carries your worry, your unresolved emotions, your anxious thoughts, and your painful memories. With each step you take, you slowly let the straps of this backpack slide off your shoulders and set it down beside the pond. You now can slowly bend over, cup your hands with water, gently bring it up, and allow the water to run over your face. It feels as though it is washing away any tension or persistent thoughts. As you get back up, the gratitude for this healing water fills you, and you begin to look through your backpack and pull out what no longer is serving you. Picking it up again, it feels so much lighter as you only take back what you need. You now begin to return to the trail, and as you do, you breathe in the energy and life of the forest. You're bringing the stillness of the forest back with you. You start to see the sun peeking through the trees again, and it fills you with its natural energy and brightness. Each step you take, you feel lighter, more alive, and ready to take on what you have ahead for the rest of your day. You feel your feet crunching the leaves, your legs full of life, your hips, they're keeping you in balance, your shoulders, they're strong and confidently carrying your backpack with ease, and your head feels clear and focused. You are now about to leave the forest and re-enter your day. As you begin to come back, you might want to start by wiggling your toes, and when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope you're refreshed and filled for what's ahead of you. Until next time, be well.